Do you have a governing body with individuals that are making decisions? And that could be comprised of, lawyers, physicians, nurses should be on there. I think nurses are often forgotten in this space.
Yep.
And when you look at the volatility of nurses and how they react to certain things, it's just really important that we increasingly include nurses in these conversations because they will make or break an effective adoption of an AI tool. The other things that we're thinking about are sustainability. So what resources are the AI using? Not just from an environmental perspective, but from a human resource perspective. How much time is this occupying, people to maintain, to keep up, et cetera, et cetera? What impact is it having? How are you classifying and quantifying risk within your organization to ensure that it's having the right impact? And how are you tracing that impact back to everything that you do? What are the implications for data use? I just met with a group of 12 attorneys, I think 2 weeks ago, and their main concern was, man, these vendors, they want to use our data to retrain their products, and a lot of people are uncomfortable with that. So how do we figure out what appropriate data use agreements are, the terms within those, et cetera, et cetera? Monitoring being a key component of this. How do we monitor these effectively? Because we all know that these solutions tend to drift, tend to degrade, et cetera, et cetera. And then I think last, the thing that we think about is reporting. And one thing that we've been working on at the coalition, and we just announced this over the weekend, was an AI